Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A. Beautiful morning in lovely Athens, Georgia. And I just want to show you a thing here. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I figure I might as well show this to you. Yeah, I got amaryllis here, and I have some other weird stuff on the deck, and the garden looks wonderful with the gardenias and, of course, the zillions of birds. But, many years ago, I was at a meeting in Holland, and there was an auction for lilies. The auction being that if you won the auction, you could name the lily. Well, I thought that was cool, so of course I did it. And the Dutchman over there who were drinking beer with me said, "Hey, Alan, this is a great idea. Come on." And well, they just let me raise the price, and then they stopped bidding. So I won. And here's the lily that I named. It is really quite spectacular. It is an Asiatic type lily. In fact, it's on the marketplace. You can find it easily. And I hope you do, because when they asked you for a name, I said, well, this is so beautiful. I'm going to name it after my lovely wife. And so if you want to buy this lily, and a lot of places have it, it's called Forever Susan. My wife's name, of course, being Susan, and we have done just fine together, and we have been doing this forever. So, Forever Susan, a great story, a great lily, just a grand time. So, glad I could share with you. All the best, and we'll see you down the road. Enjoy, take care, have fun.